Hi there, this is Riccardo Mazzolini from Datamars, the RFID solution provider for industrial laundry sector. I'd like to give you a view of this industrial laundry sector in 10 years from now. I do believe that this industry will become the reference point for sustainability in all what has to do with textile services. But also, I think that thanks to the new technology that are being implemented, it will be able to open its services to the private sector, giving the possibility to people like me and you to rely on high quality standards for sustainable processing of our textile. And if we talk about digital solution, I do believe that COVID has been a tremendous accelerator to get new services introduced due to all the limitation that we had in direct contact, but also to the higher standards of hygiene that needs to be implemented and that digitalization can help guarantee. Talking about direct contact, last point about the Texcare event taking place this year in Frankfurt. From a Datamars standpoint, we are convinced that it's going to be a great opportunity to get in contact with our customers again, having real meetings, shaking hands, and sharing the experiences of this last year of adventures. And we really are eager and look forward to be there and present our new solution that will help us moving into the new normal. Thank you.